Alright, so I was having an issue syncing my settings from my other user accounts or profiles. So what I had to do, as you can see, if you have this here, you can't sync your settings to one of your other profiles, so it's kind of annoying. You have this. So what you need to do is you need to go to this, reset your Tesla profile. It's not actually on the Tesla. You have to go to the app. It tells you how to do it. So let me actually show you how to do that. First, I guess it's going to be vertical like this. You want to go to the top right with the 3 lines, and then your profile's up here. You're going to tap that. Okay, once you go to that, you can see driver profile here. You'll press on that, and then you'll reset your Tesla profile. It says it will delete all your stuff, so make sure you're okay to do that, and then tap reset. Alright, once you've done that, you'll see it says that the Tesla profile has been removed from your vehicle and Tesla account. So once you've done that, now we're going to have to go back to the car. Alright, so we'll just close this. Okay, now in your vehicle, you're going to exit out of that. You're going to see there's no Tesla account. If for some reason your account is still there, your email address account, you'll want to press and hold both circle balls to restart basically a soft restart. All right, and then after that, you can go to add new driver. Okay, actually, you can see it's not auto adding it, so it should automatically bring back my account here when you go to driver profile, but as you can see, it's not even having that. Some person said you type in your email address here, but it should be automatic because the car is linked onto your app. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press both of these balls, okay, and press and hold, and eventually the screen will go off. There we go. You're just going to give it some time. Okay, let's wait for it. It's going to start back up. If this doesn't work, I guess you can try typing in your email, but honestly, I don't think typing in the email works. I think it's more, it just took that time for that profile to show itself back up, right, on that other person's. So we're just going to wait for this thing to completely reboot itself. It will take some time. And the reason I'm doing this is because I got a Cybertruck. I don't know if you saw the thing in the app, but when I was recording, but there you go. So basically I want the profile, like all the Spotify, everything to transfer over to the car. I don't want to set up all my navigation points and everything. So yeah, now we're going to go to profile. We're going to go to driver profile settings, and here you go. The email is showing up here. All right, so it's automatic. It shouldn't I mean, it's supposed to pop up on its own. You don't need to click add driver here. It'll automatically know because the car is on your phone. You can also add other, share your car with other people so they can create their own profile link to their device. All right, so here you can see, you can set up your Tesla profile. So you can have it copy the settings from an existing profile. So I'm going to copy it from my other one, and then we're going to push setup. And then it will migrate everything. You can change the name. I don't need my full name there, just that's fine. Okay, and then it will sync over. You can add the easy entry and other stuff. You can also link the keys to this profile. So if you do that, then I'm going to link my phone to it. So link there, and link all of these, okay? So now these are all linked. You can see it says my name next to it. So now it's linked to that, okay? And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple to do. I don't know why this one has an edit. Oh, I can name it whatever I want. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's actually go ahead and move to the Cybertruck just to see if it transferred over. Okay, so we're now over here in the Cybertruck. Okay, it's pretty hot now. Okay, so what we got here, we can see the little profile icon up there, and you can see it shows my name and it's synced. So here you can see link driver profile, S23 Ultra automatically select. All right, that's good. Link, so it's going to link to this phone. And then driver profile linked to manage driver profile, blah, 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 blah. All right, anyways, we're going to tap this here, and you can see we have that. We can go to settings, and you can see it says it synced a minute ago. And yeah, so everything will transfer over with me. I want to check. Spotify is not connected. So it didn't really work. Let's try navigation. No, nothing. So I don't know why in the truck it's not pulling my settings over. It should. I don't know why it's not working. I mean, it says it's synced. Navigate. Let's try resetting this. So we got the 2 balls on here. We're going to press and hold that. Okay, and let that reset. Maybe it didn't have enough time to download it all from that car. I don't know. I hope it's not going to sync this lack of settings onto that car. That's going to suck really bad. So let's see what happens. We're going to do that. Reset it. Interesting. Resetting it makes a smaller one. Normally it's like giant across the whole screen. Okay. So we'll see. Okay, it's restarting. I hope this is going to work. Okay, sync 2 minutes ago. I want it to sync now though. Okay, so here you go. Alright, so if we press this, I think it'll say the same thing to go to your account. Yeah, so we don't need to do that. Let's try Spotify. Is it actually loading now? It's spinning, so it might actually be good. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Show me my Spotify, all those playlists and everything. It's taking forever. Oh, it's because there's no network here. What is going on? Oh, does it need Wi-Fi? Maybe let me try connecting to my Wi-Fi and see what happens. Okay, give me a second. I'll be back. Okay, well, it's showing. Okay, it finally connected. And it's telling me to log in. So, I don't know. It's not transferring over my stuff. Navigate, none of that transferred over. Let's go ahead and check the Model Y again because it doesn't seem to be working right. Is it possible to delete? I can't delete this guy from here. You can only reset it, and that's from the app, and it resets it for every single vehicle. So, give me a second. I'll be back. Alright, we're back in here. So, this is the Model Y. You can see this is already synced, it says. Okay. If we go to driver profiles, synced 1 minute ago. Okay. Everything should be good. Let's see. Do I need to... Let me try connecting to a different Wi-Fi. Okay, so I connected to the other Wi-Fi. And let's see. Spotify is no longer working. Okay. And what else? So I think it's synced to the Cybertruck one. So I'm going to reset it again and redo this. Alright, let's try it again. So if yours does that, now you'll know why. I don't know what's going on with that. Let's go ahead and do the account thing again. Driver profile, reset, and reset. Okay, so there we go. We reset the thing again. The profile is no longer showing up here. Oops, sorry. Let me show you the screen on the Tesla. Okay, so as you can see, the account is gone again. Let me see if I type in the... Let's see if we try and type it in. I don't think that'll work. Okay, so I typed it in. We'll create and see what happens. I don't need to do that. And yeah, see, that doesn't do anything. It doesn't give you your other account back. So we're going to delete that. And then we're going to restart this car again by pressing and holding the 2 dots. And then we're going to have to wait for it to restart again. And then we will try connecting again. I don't know why it's syncing the truck's profile to it, so that's not good. We want it to sync this profile to the truck. So we'll see if we can get that done. Yeah. Alright, so we'll let this restart and then I'll show you guys when we connect it again. Alright, so that's done. We're gonna navigate, oops, sorry, not navigate, profile, driver, and as you can see, we don't even have the other account here yet. So I think what's going on is because we have no signal, so we're gonna have to make sure to connect back to Wi-Fi. Let's actually connect to my other account. Okay, Wi-Fi is showing it's connected, but what is it connected to? I don't know yet. It's trying to connect, searching for Wi-Fi. I'm gonna tap that one, and we're gonna see it's taking its time. See, still, oh, there we go. So now we have this, Again, we're going to copy the profile settings from there, and we're going to set it up. And here you go. It says it was synced now. But is it actually synced? That's the question. Okay, so there's no connection here. We need to make sure, I want to make sure it's connected to something. Okay. It's showing connected, but I don't know. It's not showing it's connected here. It's just showing, oh, there we go. So now you have the green check mark there, showing it's connected. You go in here, synced 1 minute ago. If we go to Spotify, it's opening. That's what we want. Navigate, it shows some previous stuff. And yeah, so it's synced. Okay, that's what we want. Maybe I need to wait for it to really sync because it's maybe it's not actually synced to the account. So we'll see. We can go back in here. Also, again, link keys to this profile. And let's go ahead and link those back up. I don't know why it has my phone twice in there, but okay. Alright, so we did that. Synced them all up. Synced 2 minutes ago. We want it to sync again now. So let's try and just change some stuff here. Is it not going to sync right away? Okay, so I don't trust it being synced. It says it's synced, but I don't know if it actually did. Synced 2 minutes ago. Okay. So I don't know how to make sure it's actually synced here. Let's try and just navigate to something. Synced 2 minutes ago. So I think I probably have to stay in here until it syncs again, like until it says it's recently been synced. I'm not sure how long that's going to take. Synced 3 minutes ago. Let me see, maybe if I change the mirrors and then let's try and okay, I think it kept all the settings here. So let's see, it's still showing synced 3 minutes ago. How do I make sure it syncs right now? So if I push that, driver profile settings, synced 3 minutes ago, easy entry on, nope, easy entry off. Yeah, I think I have to wait until it actually syncs again to make sure. Otherwise, it's not going to do it right. Sorry for this long video, but this will show you, like, if you run into these issues, then don't worry. It seems to be it's normal. So, let's see what else. Now it saved some settings again, but it's still synced 3 minutes ago. So let's see what else can I do to change. So let's try changing the mirrors again. I'm gonna maybe change auto tilt setting on. Oh, it doesn't let you even turn that, save that. So I do have to just scroll it. Okay, I'm gonna do the steering wheel one because that's easier for me to restore. We'll save that. Okay, and synced 4 minutes ago. So I'm not sure how long it's going to take for it to sync again. Maybe let me get out of the car, wait till it locks itself, and then I'll come back in and see if it's synced. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so the car auto locked itself. Let's get back in and let's take a look. Go back to the profile. Synced 1 minute ago. How accurate is that? I don't know. Okay, Spotify is still working. Navigation points are still there. Let's go into the Cybertruck and see if things transfer over. Alright, we're in the Cybertruck now. And let's see what we got here. Need some air. It's too hot today. Okay, so Spotify. It's working. Alright, navigate. There we go. So we got everything. So sometimes you will just have to try it again. And it looks like once you do that, it looks like we're good. It's synced a minute ago. And yeah. Alright. Bunch of the settings aren't available on the Model Y, obviously. So you do want to check, make sure everything looks good. child lock, Windows lock. If you have kids, make sure to check that. Or if you have some like people you don't want to like be opening the door while you're driving, then make sure to check those. But it looks like the profile stuff finally transferred over. Now that we've done that, we can actually delete. I'm going to delete this, and we have this saved. I'm going to leave the other profile on there on the Model Y just in case, because I don't want it to for someone to mess that up. And I think we should be okay. And then I believe the profile is linked to your phone, so I think if you don't have this phone with you, hopefully it won't show up, because then somebody else will go on your profile and start messing with your settings, and then it will mess up across all your vehicles. That'll be annoying. So that's one thing like I don't like about when it syncs. Hopefully it's just linked to your own vehicle and it doesn't affect all the others. Otherwise, they should also add like a thing where you can make a copy of your profile as a local account, so if something happens, then you have that as a backup. All right, but that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. It was a little bit tricky. It's not super straightforward. You do have to wait a bit, reset stuff, make sure I think you have to get connection to the internet to make sure it can copy all that stuff over, because there's probably quite a bit of data. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it helped, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, and yeah, if it did help, like, comment, subscribe, share my channel with others, consider contributing to the channel, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.